Sexy prom high heels are more than just footwear, they are a statement of elegance, allure, and irresistible charm that instantly transforms any look into something unforgettable. Designed to make every step feel like a graceful strut, these heels radiate confidence with their slender stiletto shape, glossy finish, and shimmering accents that catch the light with every move. Their sleek curves highlight the natural beauty of the legs, making them look longer, slimmer, and more captivating, which is one of the biggest reasons they attract massive admiration from audiences worldwide. The soft yet durable materials ensure comfort, while the perfect arch support adds just the right amount of sensual height without compromising elegance. High-quality rhinestones, glitter embellishments, or satin straps elevate their design to star-like glamour, ensuring that all eyes are drawn toward them the moment they enter the room. On a prom night, these heels complete the perfect outfit, turning a dress into a masterpiece of sophistication, while their magnetic shine gives the wearer a bold aura of sexiness that cannot be ignored. On a sexy night, however, their magic doubles. They become more than shoes, they become a symbol of seduction, teasing the senses with every delicate step, every subtle click of the heel against the floor, and every flicker of sparkle under dim, romantic lighting. Their power lies not only in how they look but also in how they make the wearer feel confident, powerful, sensual, and completely unforgettable. That's why these high heels don't just belong in a wardrobe, they belong in the spotlight, adored by millions who crave the mix of beauty, passion, and luxury that